So I made a video a while back, how to plug a tyre. So a few people have been, oh, you can't see what you're doing, you've got your camera way back. So I'm going to just go through it again for those of you who have missed it. Classic old story, go to the tip, come home with a screw in the tyre. Standard practice really. Got a file, your plugs, one of these jiggers that jams the plug in, and a bit of rubber cement. So one of the more difficult things you come up against when you're doing this is that finding where the actual hole is. This one here, it's got a nice bit of a Phillips head rammed straight in there. So what we'll do, first up, we'll get that out. Hear him starting to let some air out there now already. Sticky stuff that comes in your packet. You got to find a way of getting it through this prong thing. You just want to get it balanced up there like that. Alright, next step, you got to make things a hell of a lot worse before you get better. So you want to take this angry looking file, that rasp looking thing. You're going to, where your hole is, you're just going to ram it in there. So if it was leaking before, we're going to be doing a hell of a lot more than just leaking now. Well, until we run out of wind, that is. Alright, so I got my plug here with the rubber cement, and you just want to ram it through the hole. You're going to end up with this rude looking thing hanging out your tyre like this. So you just want to take your pocket knife, give him a trim. You just want to be feeding some air out of your air machine into it up to whatever's be recommended for your tyre and whatever load you'll be carrying with it. You should be right to go.